Imagine walking away from the pinnacle of your career, only to return and redefine greatness. That's the story of Michael Jordan, a man who turned doubt into destiny. But did he have what it takes to reclaim his throne? Stay tuned, because this comeback might just change everything you know about resilience. In the early 1990s, Michael Jordan wasn't just a basketball player, he was a legend. With 6 NBA championships under his belt, he dominated the court like no one else. But in 1993, tragedy struck. After his father's untimely death, Jordan shocked the world by retiring from basketball to pursue a childhood dream: baseball. He joined the Chicago White Sox's minor league team, trading slam dunks for home runs. Fans were baffled. Was this the end of an era? For 2 years, Jordan faced the unfamiliar pressures of a new sport, struggling with the spotlight and his own grief. But whispers began circulating. Would the greatest of all time return to basketball? The NBA world held its breath. Then, on March 18th, 1995, it happened. A simple fax arrived: "I'm back." Jordan announced his return to the Chicago Bulls, but the path wasn't easy. The NBA had evolved. Younger stars like Penny Hardaway and Shaquille O'Neal were rising, and Jordan was older, out of practice, and rusty. In his first game back, he scored 19 points, but it wasn't the Jordan of old. Doubters piled on. He's past his prime. Injuries mounted, including a nagging wrist issue, and the Bulls struggled early in the season. Could he lead them to another championship? As the playoffs approached, the pressure intensified. In a heart-stopping Eastern Conference semifinal against the Orlando Magic, Jordan's team trailed by 20 points in Game 1. The comeback kid was on the ropes. Game after game, Jordan pushed through, but the real test came in the NBA Finals against the Seattle Supersonics. Down by 13 points in Game 6, it seemed like history might repeat itself. Failure on the biggest stage. But that's when the true Michael Jordan emerged. In a stunning turnaround, he erupted for 41 points in Game 6, willing the Bulls to a 3-3 tie and forcing a Game 7. With the world watching, Jordan delivered a legendary performance, securing the 1996 NBA championship and his 4th title ring. His comeback wasn't just about basketball, it was about rebirth. Jordan went on to win 3 more championships, solidifying his legacy as the greatest player ever. The moral here is clear: comebacks aren't just for athletes, they're for anyone facing setbacks. Remember that true greatness comes from resilience and the courage to start over. So, what's your comeback story? Hit that like button and share in the comments. You never know who you'll inspire.